Experiencing a Spectrum modem that won't turn on after a power outage is a common issue, often due to voltage surges damaging internal components like the power supply or capacitors. Spectrum modems aren't inherently surge protected. First, unplug the modem and router. Inspect for any visible damage, such as burnt smells or charred ports. Use a multimeter to check if the outlet is providing between 110 to 120 volts. If everything looks fine, move to the next steps. After checking for damage, leave the modem unplugged for 5 minutes to fully discharge. Then, plug the modem back in and wait for the LED sequence, which usually starts with a white light followed by a solid light when online. If it still doesn't power on, try a different outlet. Also, consider using a UL-listed surge protector rated for 1000 plus joules or a UPS to protect against future surges. If problems persist after these steps, it's time to contact Spectrum at 1-833-267-6094 for advanced troubleshooting, as internal damage may require a replacement.